The sound of a woodpecker drumming on a tree is a familiar one in many parts of the world. This rhythmic tapping can often be heard echoing through forests and woodlands, capturing the attention of anyone nearby. But why do they do it? What drives these birds to hammer away at trees with such determination? There are three main reasons for this behavior, each crucial to the woodpecker's survival and lifestyle. The first and most important reason is to find food. Woodpeckers rely heavily on their pecking skills to uncover hidden meals. Woodpeckers are insectivores, meaning they primarily eat insects. Their diet consists of ants, beetles, and other small creatures. Many insects live under the bark of trees, making it a rich hunting ground for these birds. Woodpeckers use their powerful beaks to drill into the wood and access this hidden bounty. Their beaks are specially adapted to withstand the impact. Second, woodpeckers peck to create nesting cavities. These birds are unique in their ability to carve out their own homes. Unlike many birds that build nests on branches, woodpeckers excavate their own homes inside trees. This provides them with a secure and stable environment. These cavities provide a safe and sheltered place to raise their young. The thick walls of the tree offer protection from predators and harsh weather. Finally, woodpeckers also use drumming for communication. This behavior is essential for social interactions within their species. Each species has a unique drumming pattern. These patterns are like signatures, helping woodpeckers identify each other. They use these patterns to attract mates and defend their territories. Drumming serves as a powerful tool in establishing dominance and finding partners. Woodpeckers possess several remarkable adaptations that allow them to hammer into wood without injuring themselves. Their skulls are thick and reinforced to absorb the shock of each impact. Unlike our tongues, which are attached at the back of our mouths, a woodpecker's tongue is anchored near its nostril. This unusual adaptation allows the tongue to extend far beyond the beak's tip. Their neck muscles are also incredibly strong. These muscles power the rapid hammering motions. The beak itself is chisel-shaped and designed for chipping away at wood. It is constantly growing to replace the material worn away by pecking. These adaptations make the woodpecker a remarkable example of how evolution has equipped animals with specialized tools for their particular lifestyles. The relationship between woodpeckers and insects is a fascinating one. Woodpeckers are natural pest control agents. They help to keep insect populations in check. Woodpeckers primarily target insects. These include bark beetles, carpenter ants, and termites. These insects can cause significant damage to trees if their numbers are not controlled. By feeding on these insects, woodpeckers provide a valuable service to the forest ecosystem. They help to maintain the health and balance of the forest. Their role as insect predators is crucial in maintaining a healthy forest ecosystem. Section 5. Tongues made for extraction: how woodpeckers feast. The woodpecker's tongue is just as important as its beak when it comes to feeding. While the beak is used to drill into the wood, the tongue is the tool that actually captures the food. It is long, sticky, and barbed. This specialized tongue can extend far beyond the beak, reaching deep into crevices and tunnels within the wood. This unique design allows them to extract insects from deep within wood. The barbs on the tongue act like tiny hooks, snagging insects and pulling them out. Once a woodpecker has created a hole in a tree, it uses its tongue to probe for insects. The tongue can maneuver through the narrowest of spaces, ensuring no insect is left behind. The sticky saliva on the tongue traps insects. This adhesive quality ensures that even the smallest prey cannot escape. The barbs help to spear and pull out larger prey. This combination of stickiness and barbs makes the woodpecker's tongue an incredibly effective feeding tool. Some woodpecker species also have tongues with brushes at the end. These brushes are perfect for collecting sap and other tree fluids. These brushes help them to collect sap and tree fluids which supplement their insect diet. This additional food source is especially important during times when insects are scarce. The woodpecker's tongue is a marvel of adaptation. It showcases the incredible versatility and specialization that evolution can produce. It demonstrates the incredible diversity of life and the ingenious ways animals have evolved to thrive in their environments. Each species of woodpecker has adapted its tongue to suit its specific dietary needs, highlighting the wonders of natural selection. Section 6. More than just black and white. The diversity of woodpeckers. There are over 200 species of woodpeckers worldwide. They inhabit a wide range of habitats. From forests to deserts, woodpeckers have adapted to diverse environments. Woodpeckers come in a dazzling array of colors and patterns. Some are brightly colored, while others are more subdued. Some species are tiny, measuring only a few inches in length. Others, like the pileated woodpecker, are quite large, reaching sizes comparable to a crow. Each species has its unique characteristics and adaptations. Some specialize in eating certain types of insects, while others have evolved to live in specific types of trees. Section 7. The mighty pileated giant among woodpeckers. One of the most impressive woodpecker species is the pileated woodpecker. This large woodpecker is found in mature forests across North America. It is easily recognizable by its size and striking black and white plumage. The pileated woodpecker is a powerful excavator. It creates large rectangular-shaped holes in trees as it searches for carpenter ants, its preferred food. These distinctive holes are a clear sign that a pileated woodpecker has been visiting the area. The pileated woodpecker plays a crucial role in its forest ecosystem. Its abandoned nesting cavities provide homes for a variety of other birds and animals. These include owls, squirrels, and even ducks. Section 8. The familiar drum of the downy woodpecker. The downy woodpecker is one of the smallest and most common woodpecker species in North America. It can be found in a variety of habitats, including woodlands, parks, and even backyards. The downy woodpecker is a small but mighty forager, using its strong beak to extract insects from small branches and twigs. It also feeds on berries, nuts, and sap. The downy woodpecker's drumming is a familiar sound in many neighborhoods. It uses its drumming to attract mates and defend its territory. Section 9. Flash of red. The northern flicker and its ground foraging habits. The northern flicker is a unique woodpecker species known for its ground foraging habits. While most woodpeckers primarily search for insects in trees, the northern flicker spends a significant amount of time on the ground. The northern flicker uses its strong beak to dig for ants and beetles in the soil. It also feeds on fruits, berries, and seeds. The northern flicker is a striking bird with brown and black barring on its back and a black crescent on its chest. Male northern flickers have a distinctive black or red moustache marking on their face. Section 10. Drum rolls and chatter, the language of woodpeckers. Woodpeckers are surprisingly vocal birds. They use a variety of calls and drumming patterns to communicate with each other. Each species has its unique vocalizations, which can be used to identify them in the field. Drumming is an important form of communication for woodpeckers. They use it to attract mates, defend territories, and announce their presence. The pattern and speed of the drumming vary depending on the message being conveyed. In addition to drumming, woodpeckers also use a variety of calls, including whinnies, rattles, and chatters. These calls are used for a variety of purposes, such as warning others of danger or maintaining contact with mates. Section 11. Essential architects, woodpeckers and their importance to the ecosystem. Woodpeckers play a vital role in forest ecosystems. These remarkable birds are not just known for their distinctive drumming sounds, but also for their significant contributions to the environment. They are considered a keystone species, meaning their presence has a significant impact on the health and diversity of the entire ecosystem. Without them, many other species would struggle to survive. As we have learned, woodpeckers are natural pest control agents. They feed on insects that can cause serious damage to trees, such as beetles and ants. They help to keep insect populations in check, which is essential for maintaining the health of trees and forests. This pest control service is invaluable, especially in dense forest areas where insect infestations can spread rapidly. Woodpeckers are also important ecosystem engineers. By creating cavities in trees, they provide essential nesting sites for themselves and other species. Their abandoned nesting cavities provide homes for a wide variety of other birds and animals. These cavities can become safe havens for species such as owls, bats, and squirrels. These cavities would not exist without woodpeckers. The presence of these nests supports biodiversity and helps maintain a balanced ecosystem. The next time you hear the distinctive drumming of a woodpecker, take a moment to appreciate these fascinating and important birds. Their rhythmic drumming is not just a call, but a reminder of their crucial role in nature. They are a vital part of our natural world. By understanding and protecting woodpeckers, we ensure the health and vitality of our forests for generations to come.